Okay. Why? Yes. Is why? How did you just do that? It's easier to say. Guys, wait. It's a tornado. Tornadoes are the reason poles. I'm gonna intercept the last time I looked at the radar, they even all the way at the bottom. Wait, no, they're ending. They're so stupid. We got a super slam. Watch it back. Abilities that could I would actually get something from Twitter. Oh, we made it to the most tornado. We went there. Oh my god. Every time I just stop driving, it is down. No, we didn't see a tornado. Can I read on? Yes, tornadoes. What are we just is so yep. The, wait, no, the radar is showing a tornado. There's a tornado! Wait, should I just drive towards the tornado? No, let's look where it's forming. So it looks like we got an we got an EF3 and we're about to see that tornado. We got two tornadoes forming, which is deadly, as you all know. As you can see, there's an EF3 about to hit. Hopefully it goes all the way to Ellen. Now, Ellen is right here. And then there's another EF3. We got two EF3s. And then another tornado. Yeah, so we got three tornadoes actually. One is actually hitting a town, but not Ellen. So hopefully it hits Ellen. If this one is an EF4, I'm not intercepting it. We're about to see which type is it. Hold up. We're about to see what type. It's an EF5. It's an EF5. No, because if an EF5 actually comes to, I see all three of the tornadoes, including the EF5. Yep, get in the car. That means it's heading towards Ellen. Yes, it's getting closer to Ellen as we speak. Yeah, it's from the drive. I'm gonna drive right into this. I'm pretty sure that is I got no employers whatsoever. So yeah, I'm cool. Oh my goodness! No, I'm actually about to drive right into it. I think I'm in the bad spot. Oh snap! The tornado is actually right there. Wait, no, actually, bro, this section is getting crazier. Wait, no, I'm getting stuck there. Why am I? Jump out, jump out, jump out, jump out. I just had to jump out my car. Just had to jump out my car. Just a tornado is on. My car! It just took my car. Thank goodness I just jumped out the tornado while it was happening. Thank goodness it didn't suck me up. Well, now I'm gonna have to get an interceptor. Well, let's at least see where the tornado went tornado. Holy moly! There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tornado! Oh snap! We gotta go get another car. We gotta go get another truck. We gotta go get another truck. This is actually nah. Wherever these tornadoes, exactly the tornado. And I'm gonna try to find one. Oh snap! I found the one. I gotta drive away.
Where is that?
Oh no, it's right in front of me. I gotta drive away. I'm praying that this tornado doesn't see me. I'm trying to drive away. Guys. Please don't find me. Please don't find me. Please don't find me. I'm about to go 100 miles per hour. And there's a tornado right there. Please don't suck me up. Please don't suck me up. Do not suck me up. I'm chasing like a billion tornadoes and like all of them are in the same area. No tornadoes. I mean, no tornadoes. Sirens. We got an EF0. We got an EF0, but I don't know where it's at. Wait! snap! Ah!